Hello guys. I almost everybody have this application on their phone, and this application is called WhatsApp, right? But do you know that no matter how many minutes or hours or days you spend on WhatsApp, you don't get paid for it? Just like Facebook as well, you only get paid for creatives when you become a creator, and you have to register as a creator before you get paid for your content. But WhatsApp, you don't even get paid at all. You upload content, you chat with your friends and family, you don't get paid. But today I want to show you an app that will replace WhatsApp on your phone, and you will make money from it. And just like you can see right here, this app is called Panda. Let me open it on the Playstore so that you can have a broad view of it. Now this is the app. This is Panda app. Now I'll go ahead and show you how this app is going to replace WhatsApp and why you should use this app instead of WhatsApp. But before we do that, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojio Billionaire Academy. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrops. You might want to go ahead and watch some of my previous videos here where I show you how to make money online and how to claim airdrops for yourself. So go check some of the videos and see how you can make money for yourself. Also, it might interest you to click the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I upload videos like this one I'm doing right here. So if you've done that, don't forget to click the like button for this particular video you're watching right now, so that it will reach many people who are also looking for means to make money for themselves. Remember, this means of making money I'm showing you, it's something almost everybody do, so you can as well share the video so that your friends also can watch and download the application as well, so that you all can be using it to chat with each other and be making money for yourself. By so doing, you are helping your friends, you are helping the world, and you are helping others make money. Now if you've done all that, let's dive into the details of today's video. Guys, Panda app, this is the app. So let's go ahead and read about the app a little before we go dive properly into the registration. It's a what's new. Okay, this bug fixed. Okay, free chat app for Panda community members. Panda is a free chat community app for Panda community members. You can see it's a free chat app for free community members, isn't it? That is what it's saying right here, that the app is a free chat app for community members. So guys, this is it. So far, this is the number of stars the app has, 3.6 years. Now let's launch the app. So open the app. So it's requesting for my enter an invitation, Panda invitation code. So guys, I will drop my invitation code down the description of this video, or the Telegram channel of this and also on my Telegram channel. So you go ahead and check it so that you can copy my invitation code and paste it like this, and you are good to go. Now enter your email. This is how to register. Upon downloading the app, you see that referral code. After inputting the referral code, my own referral code I will drop for you down the description of this video, it will request for your email address. So you go ahead and put your email address. After you input your email and you click next, it will take you to an interface like this, where it will request for your name. You input your name, your last name, and you input your country and your country phone number, which is Nigeria, where I am. You can put any other country where you are, because this app works with any other country. And all you need to do is to click sign up, and you get signed up for this app. I think they'll send an email notice. Okay, upon successfully creating your app, it will bring you to an interface that looks like this. Now guys, just like WhatsApp, that's how this app also is. That's why I said, why use WhatsApp if you can use Panda and make money for yourself. Now, this WhatsApp feature has chat, status, and call. The same thing applies here. This also has chat, WhatsApp, status, and call. But what makes it more different and more unique from WhatsApp is that it also has your wallet right here. And if you click on your wallet, you see the total coin you've earned so far. Let me click on that. Okay, this is my wallet ID right here. So this is what I've earned so far. And so whatever you earn, it automatically go to your stake, so you can unstake it and sell it if you want to sell it. So but before you unstake and sell, let me show you. This is the chart. You can chat. Let me show you how it is. This is the chart. Just like WhatsApp, you have this icon also where you can check your contacts and you can chat them and invite those that are not on Panda to also come. And this is status as well. Just like WhatsApp, you have where you can upload your status and view status of your friends. This is also same. This is my status right here. I uploaded the status. You can see right here, this is my status I upload. It's just same, just like WhatsApp, and it's very easy. So if you want to upload more status, it's just to click here, you go to your gallery and you add more status to your own status. So that is it. And we also have the call button right here, so you can call someone. This is my call history. I haven't made a call on this app yet, so you can call someone. You both can talk, discuss, and just chat. And your friends you have long conversations with, like your girlfriend, your parents, or people you have long conversation with. You chat with them often. Why not bring them here? I know it's not everybody that will move here, but you can invite those people with your referral code, make money from it, and also encourage them to be using this platform to chat with you. And as you both are doing that, you are making money for yourself. So why not? Don't you think it's something you should do and make money? That's why I said you can as well share this video. If you don't know how to give them proper details, you can share this video so that they can watch the various steps and implement it, and you both can also start chatting and making money for it. So now this is our wallet. Now, just like as you can see, I have 0.6 already staked. So I created this app. I have this app before. I downloaded it on my phone, but I at some point install it because I didn't really find the use case and I didn't really know how to go about it. So I had to uninstall it. So but then that I have it on my phone, I was able to make this amount of token. That was in February 2022. Yes, I guess this is in February 2022, or what am I? Okay, I don't know if it's the month that comes before the date or the date that comes before the month. But if it is February, then but if it is today, it means it's today, because today is second. Okay, no, it's February because today is third. And the timing, you can see the timing right here. So on the 10th of February, I created the app and I was able to do this little. I was able to earn this little from the app just by launching the app and doing all that. I think I didn't really do much. So that's it. Let me check history. So that's how I was able to get this amount that is being locked up here. But nevertheless, now I'm ready to take this app very serious and make money for myself, because I saw someone who withdraw over $500 worth of this coin. He sold it and he made money from it. So now let me show you the price of this coin so that you believe for yourself. Now this is the Panda messenger coin ppm right here on Coin. So you can see I looked for means of checking the all-time high, but I couldn't. But I just followed the chart, and on the chart you can see right here it went up to as high as, let me show you right here, as high as 11.76 this day, I think, which is the longest chart, because I had to go back. It went as high as this amount, 11.76, which is the highest for this day. That was the day it was launched. And if you see the date here, it was on the 9th of March 2022. Right here, it went high as this amount. I think the day it was listed here on this platform, rather, because the coin has been in existence a little longer before. When it was listed here, this was the high amount, but then it kept going down till it got to this point. Right now, the current price of it right now is this 0.317. So that's the current price. But let me show you that this coin is really transacting. So you can see right here, by my time right here, this is my time 6:01. And if you look at this chart, you can see someone just did the transaction right now. It just one token, and it's 0558. So it means just 2 minutes ago or 3 minutes ago, that's when this person did this transaction, and he sold at the price. He sold the price that he sold, the one he sold, this is what he got for it. This is what he got, and this is at the price he sold it for. Someone sold 200 worth of it for $63. This was the price he sold it for. Just how many minutes? You can see 0554. So you can see it's not too long ago. People are transacting. Yeah, this person 72, this amount he sold, and this is it. So there's no limit to what you can make from this particular app. So just go ahead and use the app, share with your friends and family, invite them to use the app as well, so that you all can make money for yourself using this app. So that's it. So I've shown you the price, I've shown you how to use the app, how to register. Please don't forget to use my referral code. I will drop that I'll drop down the description of this video. You know, I'm the one showing you this opportunity, so why not go ahead and use my referral code so that we all can benefit from it, instead of just signing up without using my code. That will be all for now. Till we make further movement, or when we want to withdraw our balance, I think that will be easy. It's asking for our smart BB chain, so that will be later. I'll do another video when we have a reasonable amount right here that we can sell, and we can make a reasonable money from it, maybe like 10 of the coin or 2 of the coin, so we can make money from it. So if you go ahead and utilize this app and you make money for yourself, let's just do a little math. If you are able to make 1,000 of this coin and you sell it at the current price of 31 cents, it means you have over $300 to yourself. So if you can make 5,000, depending on your use case, you say you have this on yourself. I know some people will make more than that in a short period of time, because some people are very good with apps like this. Some people spend longer time using WhatsApp and chatting, so before you know it, they will make up to this amount. So guys, that's all for now. Goodbye.